To the nation of Nigeria and all Nigerian communities, I want to extend my sincere apologies for the comments I made regarding Nigerian football. Upon reflection, I realized that my words were ill-advised and did not accurately represent the respect and admiration I have for Nigerian football, including their contributions to the sport. I should not judge a whole nation based on my friends from Nigeria not letting me sleep. Nigeria has a rich football history known for its passion, skill, and spirit, which I truly appreciate. The Super Eagles have inspired millions and contributed immensely to the beautiful game on both the African continent and the global stage. I would like to officially retract my comments from my previous statement and express my full support for Nigerian football. No wahala, please. I look forward to celebrating the talent and achievements from your teams. Thank you for your understanding and your forgiveness. I'll take no further questions.